Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a Google Tag Manager to Wix. This helps us track website performance, manage marketing tags, and improve our analytics setup without touching any code. Let's head over to the Wix editing dashboard. To connect our Google tags, we need to go to Settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. From there, scroll down until we see Marketing Integrations. Click on that, and we will see the Google Tag Manager option. Now click Connect so that it links to our Wix website. Before we can connect, we need to make sure we already have an upgraded plan. This feature is only available with an upgrade. If we already have the right plan, we will see the option here. Click Connect, and we will be linked to our Google Tag Manager. And that's it. We can now easily manage our tracking tools and get better insights into our website traffic.